In this video, you'll learn how to change modes in the OKX app. By the end of this guide, you will understand how to navigate through the different functionalities available on the platform. Start by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top of the screen, you will find the main navigation bar, while the bottom menu will provide you with quick access to the different modes. Look at the bottom menu on the home screen. You will see 3 main options labeled Exchange, Web3, and Pay. Each option serves a distinct purpose, allowing you to interact with the app in different ways. To select a mode, simply tap on the one you wish to use. The first option is Exchange. Tapping this will take you to your trading account. Here, you can engage in spot and futures trading, convert different crypto keys, and manage your deposits and withdrawals. You will also have access to current market prices for various assets, making it easy to track your investments. Next, tap on Web3. This section is designed for your OKX wallet. Within this mode, you can explore airdrops, play games, swap on-chain assets, and connect to decentralized applications, also known as dApps. This area is important as it serves as your self-custody wallet, keeping your assets separate from the exchange. Finally, select the Pay option from the bottom menu. This mode allows you to buy cryptocurrency using various payment methods such as GC, Shash, Maya, or credit cards. Additionally, it supports peer-to-peer transactions for buying and selling crypto, as well as cash-in and cash-out features. This serves as your gateway for managing money within the OKX ecosystem. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.